Hello traders, this is Mike Hamilton from Trade the Easy Way. So I hope you have really enjoyed your weekend. I have marked up all my charts and I'm going to share two of the charts with you. The other charts I'm going to share with members in the trading room, and a fuller assessment at Traders Round Table, which is Monday at 7 PM Greenwich Mean Time. So what I'm seeing in these charts is a short-term reprieve in this Dow. We have FOMC minutes on Wednesday, so I think we could tread water then. Well, US is off on Monday. China reports its trade balance by the time we get to our desks on Monday morning. So this is going to be a really interesting week. Now, this is a buy signal. We have had a new low in this little run, and we've closed above it the next day. So that's a buy signal. And we are in a region of decent support. So if I take all that off and scrub that out for a minute and then put this line right across, I'm looking to the left of the chart primarily, and we can see that 16,000 is naturally a big barrier. Got options expiring on Friday as well. So typically in options expiry, they gravitate towards the big numbers. So what we might see, given that we are very bearish, but with a short-term buy signal, we might see a push up into this resistance and then back down to the big 1600. That's just one scenario. But obviously confirmation of a potential bounce in the market is going to be a close above 16,000. If we get that on Monday, while the US isn't around, then we could come back to this when the US is around and then potentially push up. Okay, so I still think these charts are very bearish. There's a lot of bearish sentiment out there anyway. If you aren't bearish, you should be, because this is quite some monthly chart here. And we've not come and tested the bottom of this monthly channel yet, which would put it at about 15,000, 15.2. So sitting on the moving average here on the monthly as it is, and then we got a tail, not a higher close. We've still got a lower close on the weekly, but we have two bottoming tails from two successive poor weeks here. So we've got a bottom tail here, bottom tail here, but we are holding this 200 EMA. Okay, so we might drift lower. 15.8 is an intra-week support level, 200 points under where we are, 150 points under where we are. So we might drift into this area here and then go and push for a higher level. Okay, if we look at the month indicators are midway on the monthly, low on the daily, and close to the lows on the weekly. Okay, so I think we are due about. The other chart I want to share with you is the euro. I think this euro is. I've been looking to short this euro, and here we have the reverse of the Dow. We've got the push higher into this resistance area and this drop zone, and we've had a lower close. So that's a new high in the little range in the channel with a lower close on Friday. So I would want to short around about 11,300 to see if we can at least come down and test this 200 EMA at 110. Okay, stochastics are high, MACD is high-ish, and you can see we closed under this fib zone here at 268. We just narrowly closed below that. Okay, so I'm expecting some potential push higher in the Dow and a potential drop in the euro, and we have Drahi speaking 2 PM Greenwich Mean Time on Monday. So by that time we'll have had the Chinese data out of the way, we'll have had the euro session out of the way, and we will have seen how the markets are handling at that point in the day. So that point in the day is going to be quite crucial. All right, so analysis of the pound and the yen and the Aussie are all going to be in the room on Monday morning and the Traders Roundtable. So if you want those kind of details, then you need to be a member. And membership details, because there's a lot of people in the room who've gone over their trial period, so I will send you out reminders and details of what is going to be included in the membership from now on in, because I'm boosting it up. I'm really cranking it up so that we get more out of it. Okay, so thank you very much for joining and listening to me, I should say, guys. So I'm concentrating on the next subject matter. All right, I'm going to stop messing around now and stop jabbering on, and see you tomorrow.